What's up guys, Brownman from AchievementHunter.com, and today we are back in Outland. Today we're going to be going for 3 more achievements. Those achievements are as follows: Untouchable, 2 birds, and Overkill. So another batch of 3. I seem to like doing these because it knocks out a lot of achievements in one video. A lot more work, but more information, I guess. Anyway, first achievement we're going for is Untouchable, which is to beat a boss without taking any damage. This is the first boss in the game. This is the Golem. I found that this is the easiest boss to do it in because he has 3 main attacks. First attack's right there. He's going to slam his hammer thing in the ground, jump over that fire thing, whatever it is, hit him in the face a few times, jump back down, because when he lifts the thing back up, he will hit you and you will take damage. So he's going to repeat that again here, but as you can see, there's also enemies above. So do the same thing, dodge the fire, get a few hits in on his face, then he's going to drop these enemies. And if you remember on a previous video, I said you can grind out your 20 enemy kills here when you have 1 health. So if you want to do that here, get down to 1 health and just keep doing that over and over again, and you can get it here as well. So that's his second phase, which is kind of similar to the first phase, but adding enemies. Still not that bad. So you're gonna repeat doing that over and over again, and then his third phase is he's gonna show his third phase attack thingy here. So we're gonna knock out these bugs things, and here it is. He's gonna rain blue and red circles, pellets at you. So just, you are blue, you don't have the ability to switch polarity to red yet, so just dodge back and forth. Avoid the red at all costs. You can hit the blue because, you know, blue can't hurt blue, red can't hurt red, you know, yada yada. If you played Ikaruga, you know. So those are the 3 attacks, and he's gonna repeat those over and over again until you defeat him. So be very careful. As you saw there, the pattern for the red and blue got a little bit tighter. Gotta be a little bit more careful. Here you go, again, a little more open, so a little more lenient on where you can stand, but very, very simple boss. Should be able to do this no problem. The later bosses are much more difficult, so I suggest doing it here. If you mess up the first time, later on in the game you can teleport to different areas of the map. So once you find, I believe it's one of the jungle levels where the boss's lair is or whatever. So teleport there and attempt the boss again, and you should be able to get it no problem. Second achievement we're going for is 2 birds, which is to kill 2 enemies with a bomb. This is the underground, or underworld it's called. This is right at the beginning of the level. Those are the bombs right there. You want to uppercut it up, make sure it drops in the middle. I failed there, but I get it right here, and I slide. It's kind of hard to see amongst all the craziness there, but you want to... The reason I ran is so you can lure both spiders into the middle without them, you know, getting bored and walking away. When you do that, you want to uppercut the bomb in the air, or in that case I got lucky and it dropped. When it does that, you can slide and make it detonate immediately, and it will kill them instantly. That one took me a little while because the spiders, like I said, will get bored and just walk away, which is really annoying. But keep it up and you will get it eventually. Last achievement is Overkill, which is to kill 6 enemies with your beam attack. This is in the city level. This is as soon as you get the beam, and to do the beam, that's how it works. It's kind of like a shoop-de-whoop laser. You hold B and just, you know, kind of aim it around till you get it. And this is the best place to get it because you can see there's like upwards of 10 jellyfish. The only problem is you have to kind of bait the jellyfish to the right side, like I'm doing here toward the platforms. It takes a few attempts, but I finally get them here. It's just kind of got to climb the platform. Doop, doop. And you see there's like 6 there, so get up there. I'm a firing my laser. Bah! There you go. There's your 6 right there. Overkill. 15 gamer score. So yeah, another 3 achievements. Very, very easy. Guys, this game is a lot of fun. I really suggest you check it out. For 800 points, there's a good package here. Co-op campaign and all that. Good stuff, challenges, and very, very pretty game. But I'm done selling the game. I'm going to sell AchievementHunter.com. You know why? Best site ever.